Imagine if you could do one thing for 90 minutes every day. It may seem like a small commitment, but over time, it can lead to incredible results. Consistency is the key to achieving your goals. By dedicating just 90 minutes each day to a specific task, you can make significant progress and create positive habits. Whether it's learning a new skill, exercising, or working on a personal project, committing 90 minutes every day allows you to dive deep into the task and make meaningful strides. Consistency breeds discipline. By sticking to a daily routine, you train your mind to stay focused, overcome challenges, and develop a strong work ethic. The power of 90 minutes lies in its ability to eliminate distractions. By setting aside dedicated time, you can create a focused environment that maximizes productivity. Consistency is not about perfection. It's about showing up every day, even when motivation is low. Push through the challenges, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Remember, it's not the duration but the consistency that matters. By dedicating just 90 minutes every day, you'll be surprised by the progress you can make and the goals you can accomplish.